Hey, so you gotta keep it warmed up and get some vitamin D, natural. Grow your own alfalfa, a little patch. Look at this California day. Is this not incredible? And we do our exercises and we tighten up our core. Tighten it up. Ooh. And your shoulders aren't just back. Your shoulders are, it's chest up, chest up, chest up, chest up, chest up, chest up, and shoulders back, and hips down like you're sitting in the saddle of a horse, and you're riding. Oh yeah, you're riding. And then you come to a stop and you settle in. And you treat yourself nice and you pat your horse or your dog or your cat or your friend. You touch each other. You quit being so scared to touch. You remember there's a thing called the flu, and the cold has a 7 to 14 day cycle. Rest, and bone broth. We find goats for the weeds every year. All the cities that have been hurt by fire should be goats, and hemp should be lobbied overnight, not just illegals. Hemp paper overnight. We've lost too many trees, and they've robbed areas that were protected from the fires. They had legal right to rob. So corporate greed there's no stopping it, but we can see nature and protect as much as we can know about nature. And we can, like that leaf there, we can keep going and make everything feel right. Everything feel right. Everything feel right. Yeah. Have a fabulous day. Happy Veterans Belated Day, and happy birthdays to those of you. Marine Corps, Semper Fi, your birthday's coming up any day now. It's the 12th of November, 2024. Crazy.